In this video, I'm going to be working out some of the homework problems from section 6.2 Day 2 homework, which is on page 396, problems 24 through 35. Please note that you don't have to graph anything for this section, even though your book may want you to. Don't worry about it. Number 26, we want to find the inverse. And we know that it's easier to use y instead of f of x. And so what I'm going to do here is switch the x and the y. Now, the first thing I should probably move over is that 3 on the end. So let me go ahead and just kind of rewrite things as y plus 1 squared equals x minus 3. Now, I can't really touch the 1 until I get rid of the square. So to undo a square, you're going to take the square root on both sides. And technically, this should be plus or minus. And then I'm going to subtract 1 as my final answer. The 1 just goes on the end. So I get y equals plus or minus the square root of x minus 3 minus 1. And that's it. That's the inverse. So number 33, just the other question I'm going to do today. This is a very short video. Are these inverses of each other? So I'm going to find the inverse of f. So I'm going to switch x and y. I'm going to divide by 4. And then I'm going to take the square root. And the square root, this doesn't look like it matches this, but if you recall, 4 is a perfect square, and the square root of 4 is 2. And another way to write this would be 1/2 out front, and then the root. Yeah, so that does match here, okay? If it didn't match, then my answer would be no, and I wouldn't even have to worry about finishing this problem. But I should double check this side as well. Switch the x and the y. Now I have to get rid of the fraction first before I square, okay? Get rid of that fraction first. So multiply by 2 and then square both sides. And when you square 2x, it becomes 4x squared, which does match f. So the answer to this question is yes. And that's your quick video.